Rogaška Slatina is a health resort with more than 400 years of tradition of thermal treatments. It lies in the east of Slovenia, near the Croatian border, on the edge of wine-growing Kozjansko hills, between Boč, Donačka mountain and Plešivec. It is 86 kilometers away from Zagreb, 112 kilometers from Ljubljana and 121 kilometers from Graz in Austria. The real boom the spa experienced in the second half of the 19th century, when the fancy resort destination was visited by the royal families of Habsburg, Bonaparte, Hohenzollern, Bourbon, Obrenović, as well as the high nobility from all over Europe. Today, the health resort of Rogaška is known for the largest medical center in Slovenia, with the most comprehensive range of health and beauty treatments. Rogaška Health Resort features a great central park, which is one of the most beautiful in Slovenia. Hotels and rooms of Rogaška Health Resort are surrounded by a flourishing park and beautiful green nature. Guests can choose between Grand Hotel Sava, which falls under the category of 4-star hotels and has 284 superior rooms and 24 apartments or suites, and Hotel Zagreb with 4 stars, which offers 44 double rooms and 7 suites. The rooms meet the 4 stars category conditions and do not cease to satisfy even the most demanding guests. LOTUS Spa Health and Beauty Centre is connected by covered walkways to the Grand Hotel Sava and offers many opportunities for relaxation. Guests can choose a variety of massages, Finnish and steam sauna, colour therapy, a kniping program, a trail for better circulation of legs and body, and the drinking hall with live water. Rogaška Medical Center is one of the most important for health and beauty in this part of Europe. It combines the unique natural resources, 400 years of tradition and modern medical knowledge, where a top health care team and renowned experts and specialists take care of the guests. Next to this, we offer treatments with drinking donut, magnesium water, balneotherapy, physical therapy, progressive relaxation technique, and diet. Programs already traditionally offered by the spa are acupuncture, diagnostics, cosmetics, aesthetic, dermatology, plastic, and vascular surgery. Cuisine is part of the comprehensive offers of Rogaška Health Resort, as chefs prepare delicious international as well as traditional dishes at a level that satisfies even the most demanding guests. Rogaška Health Resort enables performance of seminars, conferences and business meetings, offering several halls which are accompanied with all necessary technical equipment for the smooth operation of such meetings. The surroundings of the health resort offer exceptional opportunities for trips into nature, getting a taste of exquisite wines and culinary delights. There are many cultural and historical attractions which guests can reach by foot, bicycle or car.